Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Clippers Plains. Our phone number is 07384813882, and today we have a 2009 Nissan Patrol STS, stock reference number 4448. This shape runs from the 4th month 2000 through to the 4th month 2017. It has a ZD30 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. ZD30 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right hand front. We have the left hand guard, appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 17-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror does have some chrome peeling on the edge. Left front door has some light wobbles and a couple of small dents, still may be usable. Left rear door has a few small dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light. Tailgates both appear to have no damage. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and neck. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has a light fold on the front edge and a couple of small dents. Right power door mirror also has chrome peeling on it. Right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a grey cloth centre console lid, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, left hand sun visor, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, right hand sun visor and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus and would like to thank you for watching this video.